Hello everyone, I'm Adil from Simple and Easy Arabic. In this video, I would like to talk about something I found super useful when it comes to expanding your vocabulary in Arabic. And that's crossword puzzles. Yes, crosswords. They are insanely effective. Every time you solve a crossword, you are putting in just a bit of effort to figure out the word. And that helps it stick in your memory. Also, you are writing the words letter by letter, which helps you remember how to spell it properly. They're not only useful, they're also fun and enjoyable, because they feel more like a game than traditional studying, and that makes a big difference. Now we are sharing a free file on our website, ready to download and start solving. And if you are into this, you can check out our Patreon. You'll find a lot of crossword puzzles and a lot of files. You can download them, print them, and start solving. So if you're ready to start practicing with the crossword, check out our Patreon to have your files. See you there. Bye bye.